In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix and install Ludo King game app from Play Store. So if you're trying to install Ludo King but you are unable, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so in the first method, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail to search for your app and install it. However, if you had searched while logged in with your Gmail and you still encounter the same problem, then go ahead and again go to Play Store and then tap on your profile icon here on your email and scroll down to settings. At this point, go ahead and look for network preferences, and under it, go to app download preference. Here, you'll see your current settings. Go ahead and choose over any network. Here, the first option here. So if you tap on this, now this will allow you to download or to install apps using the current network you are connected to. So I'll tap on OK to save the settings. And now everything should be okay at this point. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and troubleshoot your Google Play Store app. To do this, just go ahead and long press on it and you should see app info. For some versions, you might not see app info, but you'll see a settings gear or the name of the app. Tap on it to access the app information page. So at this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. If I go to storage, you can see we have a breakdown of data. Of importance is this cache data. When we talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then clear cache and OK. At this point, you can see the cache files have been cleared. Then proceed to Google Play Store again, tap on it, search for your app, Ludo King, here it is. And this time round, I'll go ahead try to install. And as you can see, I'm now able to download and install Ludo King on my smartphone. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues with the Ludo King can't install on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.